Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I have for you an easy stuffed shells recipe. We are making spinach and cheese stuffed shells. It is delicious. No meat involved, although you can have whatever kind of protein you want on the side, so it's perfect for you vegetarians out there. It is easy, it is delicious, and it's a crowd pleaser, and it's very quick to put together. So now let's walk over to the really basic ingredients to get this started. Alright guys, now let's begin. I have some jumbo shells that I will talk about it in a minute. I have 2 large eggs, and right over here I have 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of adobo, but you can certainly leave that out if you want. I have here a half a cup of mozzarella cheese shredded. I have here 10 ounces of frozen spinach, but you can use fresh if you want. That's just an extra step to cook, and I didn't want that, so this is already cooked, and all you have to do is squeeze the excess water out. This really has a lot of liquid in it, so you want to squeeze it out until you can't squeeze no more, and that's what we have going on here. I have 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. You can use whole milk, part milk, whatever you like. And right here I have Parmesan cheese, really good quality, that I have bought in an Italian specialty store, and I just stored it in a mason jar. And I have other additional ingredients that I will show you later on, but this is pretty much it, guys. Now let's begin. Okay guys, let's begin. Don't forget to preheat your oven on 300. Get that out the way, and now let's begin on our really easy filling. Right here with my 2 large eggs, I'm going to put in my spices, and then I'm going to mix everything together here, because this is what we're going to fill our stuffed shells with. And like I said, make sure you squeeze this out. It needs to be fairly dry, just as much as you can squeeze out with your hands. You don't got to use nothing particular. Alright, so let's just break this through a little bit. Just mix a little bit in, not too much. The egg is used to bind everything together, so I'm going to use the whole thing, because this makes quite a few. Alright, so after you finish putting your ricotta cheese, 1/3 cupful. Then lastly, some mozzarella cheese. And then we're just going to mix together. Alright guys, so with your baking pan, you're going to place some tomato sauce in the bottom so the stuffed shells don't stick. Now, the kind of tomato sauce you should get is totally to your preference. I'm using tomato and basil, something pretty simple and basic. And this is going to help it from sticking to the bottom. Now, for these stuffed shells. Now, I have boiled them in a large pot of water with salt and about a teaspoon of oil. This is just to prevent it from sticking, and they're not quite done. They're actually al dente, so I cooked them about 2 minutes short from the package instructions, which was 9 minutes, and I cooked them for 7. Why? Because it keeps them from breaking, and it keeps them from getting soggy. You're just going to fill this up halfway, and that's about it. And this is going to continue to cook anyway right in the oven, so it's okay if your pasta shells are a little bit, you know, al dente. It's gonna cook beautifully, and you just stuff it and keep on, whoop, and keep on going, and try to put them as close as possible. Alright guys, I'm going to stuff my last one, and it looks incredible. You don't have to overly stuff them. Then I'm going to place some extra cheese right in them. Why not, right? It's going to be cheesy and delicious. Alright guys, so right after the last one, I'm just going to place like a spoon more of tomato sauce. I'm going to wrap this up in aluminum foil, and I'll see you back in about 40 minutes. Alright guys, I just took out these beauties from the oven. I'm just going to put a sprinkle of parsley, and they're done. They've been cooling off for about 10 minutes, and I cannot wait to have a bite. Alright guys, so I'm going to take the corners right here, because these babies are calling my name. Alright guys, it is time to do a taste test, and I cannot wait to give this a try. It smells so good in here, and it's one of those classics that you just love, your family loves. I mean, I don't know who does not like stuffed shells, but this, my friends, is easy. It's like so many different variations that you can do this, and I'm going to bring you quite more of them, so be prepared for some deliciousness. And now it's time to eat. So much creaminess and flavors are going on right now inside my mouth. You guys gotta give this a try, and I'm telling you, it is super easy to prepare. You can make it in advance. You can store it in your freezer. You can make a big batch of it and serve it to your guests. I mean, this, my friends, is a crowd pleaser. Easy, entertaining, and easy home weeknight dinner you absolutely gonna love. So thank you so much for joining me today, my friends. It's always a pleasure having you cook along with me. Make this. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.